The retest is the absolute best entry. Now, the only problem with a retest, this is where my decision point comes in. If you notice, it's always after a pullback and then potentially come up. This is the retest. So I'm not sure if y'all caught that. So that's why it's very important to be here every day. Price goes up, price pulls back. This is your retest. Then as it comes up, this is the next. So what I'm doing is 38 to 50% of this leg, I would like to see it pull back to. This is healthy. 38 to 50% healthy. Let's say it pulls back here. Then it comes up about 38 to 50% of this leg. Then here is my decision point. It could be here, or if it comes down here, decision point, but more than likely it's going to be here. This is my decision point. This is your retest. Now, what I do is I see this retest. This is very dangerous for me to enter. Why? We only call this a retest because we see that it bounced up. Not only that, but what is the definition of a retest? Everybody says retest, retest, retest. For my definition, it is 3 to 5 candle closes moving upward. Okay, next question. What time frame? The 5 minute, the 4 hour, the 1 hour? Well, this depends on how risky you are. So a 1 minute to a 3 minute is very risky. A 3 minute to a 5 minute is risky. A 5 minute to a 15 minute is not as risky. So that is my definition right there. Now, of course, this may change, but this is generally what it is. And this is on the candle closes. So let's say we're trading on the 15-minute time frame. We wait for 3 to 5 candles to close, which is good. Now, this is a retest. Because what can happen, price goes up, retest, is it really? 3 candles, 2 candles, 1 candle, whatever, and then it rolls over, and guess what it just did? It picked you up. So what I like to do is I like to base it off of my decision point. So here, price comes down, comes up. We don't get the very nice entry off of this potential bounce because we don't know it's a bounce. So everything is so much easier when we already know what happened. When we look at charts, we're like, oh, here's the retest. This is what we do, blah, blah, blah. This is so much easier because that's called a hindsight hustler. I have songs on this, guys. But here are my songs. These are great songs. They actually teach you. You jam out to it. There's Price Magnet. This is a funny song. No Emotions. Chart Thief. I was accused of stealing a chart, which was very funny. Losing is part of the game. Liquidation, Congregation. All these are bangers, guys. Hindsight Hustler. So I'm thinking retest comes up 3 to 5 candles, preferably at least 15-minute time frame, at least. Now, granted, you're waiting. That's a long time. But when you do enter, it's safer. If you don't want to, then maybe do a 5-minute, wait for 3 to 5 candles to see potentially if we are going to decision point. What are we going to do? Are we going to come to attack this level and come down? Or are we going to attack this level, go up to this level, and then possibly maybe do a lower high and then do another decision point to where now we break up or break down? This right here is key. If you enjoy the thought process that I provide, put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. We're trying to get more subscribers. We're working our way up there, guys. We're at 2064. This is only possible because of you, because you're watching the channel. You're watching all the videos that I put out. You're smashing the like on all the videos. You're commenting multiple comments. This is what gets us out there. If you could, I know this is extra. If you could potentially share this on X, let people know. I don't care if it's your, brother who has your only friend, or your mom, or your sister, or your son, or your cat, dog. I don't care. Share it, guys. Share it. Like, we need to get this stuff out there. I'm not here to bamboozle you. I show you my wins. I show you my losses. I have nothing to sell you. If I did, I would be selective on what I show you. I have nothing to sell you. Just what I have to offer. And if you like it, great. If you don't, you learn here for free. You know, I'm never gonna say, oh, you have to get a $99 private session. No, ask me now, ask me here. Like, I encourage questions, and today's questions have been fire. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's gonna save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.